Welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I have earbuds with me, the virtual reality glasses. So this cost me around $5 to $6. Yeah, which I think is the amazing price for the VR. But you cannot compare it with the VR of Samsung or like other HTC because this is way more cheaper than that, almost the $90 more than cheaper than the Samsung one. So this is I think so this is a good price range, $5 to $6. In this condition, this is excellent. So as you can see in the box, you get the manual, and I think so there'll be a padding for your buttons, so the button could not be clicked when tightly hold in the tray. I'll show you the tray now. Yeah, as you can see, nice. So as you can see, the handset with me. I don't know what you call this. VR with me. So this is focusing for focus. As you can see, move front and backward and left to right for better eye position. As you can see, so this is for your camera. The camera can be open, and this is your SIM tray. I'm saying this is your mobile tray in which you can insert your phone. It is a spring loaded, so it will hold your phone tightly, and made up of plastic. The whole device, like VR, is made up of plastic. And this price range is awesome. So as you can see, the lens is good size, wide size, easy to watch. But as I mentioned earlier, it could not be compared with Samsung or Oculus, HTC VRs. So it is comfortable, and you can see the strap which you can wear on your, which is used to wear the VR on the head for comfortability, and this for camera. So VR box, I think this is excellent in this price range. Okay, so you have headphone jack also with you, and micro SD card, micro USB port. You can insert your charger, etc. So this video is wrapped up. That's enough for today, and peace out, and see you in the next video.